Hi, I'm Steve Moulter. We are coming to you from the IoT World Forum here in Chicago, and I'm joined this afternoon by Simon Pontin. Simon joined Itron in 1989 when it was still Schlumberger Electricity. He was named Chief Technology Officer of the company in January of 2011. Simon holds a degree in electromechanical engineering. He participated in the design of various solid-state metering developments in the United Kingdom. And eventually that led to him heading up the development of Itron's smart grid solution, OpenWay, which kicked off in 2006. Today, as CTO of Itron, Simon is uniquely equipped to ensure that the company's technology helps utilities to solve some of their most pressing challenges. And Simon, it's a real pleasure to have you here with us today. Thanks for coming on in.
Thank you.
All right, so let's talk first of all about what really excites you about IoT right now.
Sure, so I think there's an incredible opportunity to use the technology in different ways here. Itron is dedicated to the resourceful management of electricity and water globally. Certainly we see the IoT as being pivotal in enabling that as we move through this century.
All right, very good. How do you see Itron in specific helping to advance that IoT story and helping to impact the entire culture within IoT?
So for many years, our customers have used single-purpose systems. I think with the IoT or the advent of the IoT, we see that becoming more prolific. We see more sensors with more data being gathered and hopefully being used in more resourceful ways as we look ahead.
And does Itron play a specific role, do you see, in that capability?
Yeah, so Itron has millions, many tens of millions of devices connected today under a different umbrella, not called IoT. I think in the future, as we start to network those devices together, we'll be able to extract increasing value for both ourselves and our customers.
So there's a real embed there with Itron within the IoT sector.
Absolutely.
If you were to take a look at what the top challenges are today that we're facing, what do you think really needs to be resolved in order for IoT to live up to the potential as you view it right now?
So I'll speak about our industry. I think it needs some visionary leadership, especially from the utility executives, to adopt change quickly. I think the world of utilities and the world of technology has sometimes been incompatible. I think also to get traction on the standards and interoperability is key to the mass adoption of the IoT types of technologies globally. And I think increasing collaboration across industries that have perhaps been siloed historically.
And do you see Itron as being a particular embed with that collaboration capability
Absolutely.
of Itron partnering with a lot of these other?
Absolutely, we started to do that already. I think it's only going to grow as we move forward. And there's some interesting alliances being formed, companies that we would typically have thought were completely tangential to what we do. We're being pulled together by this, the need to network things and to pull a bunch of data together. So it's exciting for us.
So with that excitement and with that sort of new focus, let's prognosticate a little bit. Let's look out 3 to 5 years from where we stand right now. What are we talking about the next time you and I get together and have this sort of a conversation?
Well, I think we probably don't know the answer to that in detail. But I think as we start to connect things together, we started to see this already, that we're starting to get the utility executives to start thinking about solving their business problems again. We're moving from the vision to the practicality and the reality of doing things. So I think once we get the data sets, once we pull everything together, we're going to see some things that we couldn't imagine coming together. And we're already starting to see some things that, quite frankly, we couldn't have even imagined 6 months ago, so 3 years is a long way in the future.
It really is a long way out in the future. It sounds like it's an exciting time for Itron. It's certainly an exciting time within IoT as well. Simon, it's been a real pleasure to talk with you. Thank you so much for your time here today. Thanks for coming on in, and thanks to all of you for being with us. Bye-bye.